Good morning, everyone. Today concept is P theta curves in SI engine. We all know that we have four-stroke SI engine. We have four strokes. One is suction, another one is compression. Third one is expansion, and fourth one is exhaust. We don't discuss in this combustion situation suction and exhaust. We are considering only compression expansion because in between this only combustion is take place. So that let's discuss about some of the P theta curves in SI engine, spark ignition engine, and before that, let's discuss how the combustion is take place in practically. Let's take in a cylinder. This TDC, BDC, piston, no combustion. The first case is no combustion. Whenever considering there is no combustion, how the processes take place? And first a compression is take place. Before that, we discuss about this graph. First one is x-axis is taken as P, that means pressure. In y-axis we taken theta, that is crank angle. Whenever we taken theta is equal to 0 degrees, that means the piston that reaches the TDC, and the piston is reaches the TDC. In that position, the theta is equal to 0 degrees. That means cylinder, TDC, BDC, this is the piston, this is theta. Whenever it reaches in this direction, that means whenever theta is equal to 0, it goes up and reaches here and reaches the TDC. So that we are taking when theta is equal to 0, TDC, when piston is reaches TDC. In before TDC, what happens? The compression is happened, and after TDC, what has happened? Expansion is happened. Here compression is happened. For the first case, we are discussing about without combustion, how the process take place. Compression is take place and reaches the high pressure, the peak pressure, then expansion is take place. In this type of P theta diagram, a P theta curve is called as motoring curve. Most important, motoring curve. Let's discuss about the second case in theoretical curve. That means here it is the combustion is take place at the end of the compression. That means whenever it reaches the TDC, exactly the combustion start take place and reaches the and combustion is take place with in constant volume process, and whenever taken as in auto cycle, the combustion takes place in constant volume and reaches the peak pressure. Whenever it reaches the peak pressure, the expansion is take place. This is a theoretical case because it doesn't exactly starts at the end of the compression. It takes some time to to take the ignition temperature to start the combustion process. So let us discuss about the actual case, how it be done. Here in the combustion, that means the spark ignites the spark. A spark plug ignites the spark in before TDC. In before TDC, it ignites the spark, and it takes some time to start the combustion. And whenever the time should be ended, the combustion start and reaches the peak pressure. After reaching this peak pressure should be noted after TDC. This peak pressure noted after TDC. Let's discuss in this figure. before TDC. That means the compression start take place whenever it does before reaching the TDC. The spark plug, here it is, charge is present, and before completion of the compression the spark ignites spark. Whenever it reaches the TDC and kept back, an expansion is take place. At that time the P, that means peak pressure, should be noted. Can you understand what I am saying? The spark plug doesn't, if you take in theoretical case, it does not should be the spark ignited by the spark plug at the end of the compression, but it actually doesn't. It reaches it that means it ignites the fuel, that it ignites the spark in a spark plug before TDC, and we noted at the peak pressure at the TDC only, but actually it kept after TDC. Is the both two conditions what we are changes in the actual curve. They are divided into three stages in a SI engine. That is mostly they are first one is ignition lag, and second one is propagation of flame, and third one is afterburning. Is the most stages in SI engine how the combustion is take place. In the first case where no combustion, this is called motoring curve. In theoretical curve, the spark plug ignites the spark, eject the spark. At the end of the compression, combustion is take place in constant volume, okay, and expansion is take place. In actual curve, the spark plug ignites the fuel at the before TDC, and we get the peak pressure, and completion of the combustion it takes place in after TDC. So these are the P theta curves which we are discussed for the SI engine in combustion process. Thank you.